We'll guide you through how to calculate the hours between times in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have two times and I want to work out the difference between them in hours. So first of all, select the cell where you want the answer to be as we're using a formula. Type in equals, if, open bracket, then type in the cell where the latter time is. For me, that's C3, and then do a bigger than the first time, which in my case is B3, just like so. Then you can go and put in a comma, and you need to go and put an open bracket in and put in the latter time again, which for me is C3, and you need to minus the first time. For me, that's B3, and do a close bracket, and then go and do a comma, and you need to go and do another open bracket, and you need to go and put in the latter time again. For me, that's C3 minus B3, which is the first time, plus 1. And then what you need to do is go and close brackets, and do another close brackets, and need to multiply it by 24. Put an asterisk and then 24. Press enter, and it will then give you the difference. Now, if it's looking not right, this is probably due to the format, like mine is. So just keep the cell selected and go to the top in home, and you can then go and choose the format to number. And as you can see, it's now calculated the difference, 4 hours. You can then go to the bottom right of the cell, click, hold and drag, and you can drag down the column and you can go and fill it in. And as you can see, it's now gone and calculated the difference. It's that simple.